Dako yung nagyan eh, kasi mahal.
Outfit check. Outfit check. Mode of transportation. Ayan, pot-pot. Good morning. Sunday. Magmamarket tayo today. Samahan niyo ako. Kung makikita nyo, after nila magsimba, dito sila didiretso. Market day is Sunday and Monday. So, hinahanap natin first is aninikad. Aninikad yan, diba? Ano daw? Pagpilaan ite. Hindi ko narinig.
Isa lahat ng ng kitchen.
Kani na lang. Thank you.
Soy sauce.